So this is the kitchen area. Water inlet to the right of the fireplace and the oven, and drain to the left. Oh yeah. Yeah. Is that the water inlet there then? Yeah, it was, yeah. So that's the water inlet, so the water would come in. This is the cellar, or the larder. Must apologise for all the noise. A bit frustrating, but they are cleaning up. This is the cellar. The water spout here once helped protect the castle from Argyle's stormy climate. It's stuck out from the parapet at the top of the building to throw rainforest away from the walls. And that, I would say, is a well. You can't really see down there. Right, there's some staircase up to the tower, so we're heading up there now. I'm going to go to the top of the tower, well, hopefully anyway. It's a bit of a maze. Hey? See the well at the bottom? In the cellar? You can't see it in that room. Just be careful. Don't dangle over there. I'll take a photo of it. There's something actually written on this rock, but I can't actually read it. It looks old. But yeah, the views from up here are amazing. It's worth walking up to the top. And just bear in mind, folks, this is free. Again, it's another free place to come and visit. Now this hallway, look at the grand fireplace here, that would have been here. The fireplaces as you're going up. So this was the audience chamber, where formal business would have been carried out. The Protestant Book of Common Order was printed in Edinburgh in 1567, and that was a project that was carried out here. So yeah, you can get to the top of the tower. It's 96 steps, I counted it. Someone in the comments now is probably going to tell me it's not 96. But the main tower is 96 steps, that's what I've counted. But yeah, it's worth just going to the top for the views, definitely. And for the castle, if you're wondering about parking, it's got more than enough room to get a camper van in, or motorhome. So yeah, definitely worth a visit. I'd highly recommend you visit the castle. It's definitely worth your time if you're in the area. I can't believe how many cairns there is in stone circles around here. Well, I should be able to believe it really, but because there's many in Scotland. I mean, we have quite a few in Derbyshire, but yeah, there's many in Scotland as well. So yeah, definitely worth your time.
Thank you for watching today. Please remember to check out the playlist so you can see all the fun adventures we had here in Scotland. And a massive thank you to the gold members of the channel. I hope you go and check those channels out. And at the end here, please remember to check out the playlist and subscribe if you're new here. Thank you.